Children, welcome to Narayana live classes assignment key discussion. Assignment key of 7th class dated on 19th June 2020. The topic is grammar, especially preposition part. Already vocabulary we discussed, textual vocabulary all we discussed, almost all we discussed. Now here, so this is preposition part from textual grammar. Small passage is given and blanks are given in the middle. So you have to fill in the blanks with in, on and yet. Prepositions, we know very well, prepositions are of different kinds. Preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction, so like this. Now here only three are given, in, on and yet. Now let us see. Sarath and Kirti are brother and sister. Sarath was born dash 25th April when date is followed by month, and here so we have to use the preposition on. Born on 25th April dash 2000. When year is particularly given, separately given, we have to use in 2000. Kirti was, see here, Kirti was born dash December 2001. Kirti was born. So month is followed by the date. Then we can use on. Born on December 2001. They live in a small village dash Prakasam district, in Prakasam district. Here we can write even at also. They live at a small village. They live in a small village in Prakasam district. For smaller places we can use at. For bigger places we can use in. So here we can use in for particular sense, and for small place we can use yet. In or yet. A small village in Prakasam district, because Prakasam district is bigger than this small village, that's why in. They play games dash school. So it indicates the place at school. They play games at school. It is very hot when particular month is given without date. We can use in. In May dash their village. In their village. So particular surroundings, we are discussing only their village. Here we can use in. In their village. So they spend their summer in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is bigger place. In Hyderabad dash their uncle's house. At their uncle's house. When we compare uncle's house with this Hyderabad is bigger place, that's why we are using in, and uncle's house is smaller place, so we are using yet. At their uncle's house. See first blank here on was born on 25th April. Second blank in 2000. Third blank, Kirti was born on December 2nd, 2001. They live in or at a small village in Prakasam district. They play games at school. It is very hot in May in their village. So they spend their summer in Hyderabad at their uncle's house. Like this, we can select suitable prepositions, children. Thank you. All the best.